Hello, my name is Dan McAuliffe. I'm from Whitechurch, County Cork. I started contracting in 06. I used to drive for a contractor before that, and in 06 bought my first tractor. Started going at slurry in 2009, 2010. Slurry and silage are our main outputs. This is the time of the year, it's mostly tanker work and umbilical slurry. Soon enough we'll be coming into the ploughing, the reseeding and small bit of tillage work that we do. During the summer we do an awful lot of our own baling ourselves and come into the later part of the year, mostly trying to get slurry out again at the end of the year. That's most of our work. Tractor-wise, it's Massey's and John Deere's we operate. It's a Bauer slurry pump we have, pumping out through various makes of hoses out there. We're running a Varimount 350 for blowing it out. We have a slurry cat dribble bar, 9 metre out with a 1000 metre backpack. We have a slurry cat 600 front reeler on the front. Before the Varimount 350 we had an Indusal trail compressor being towed around behind us somehow. There was times where it could take 3/4 of an hour to blow out the hose. The main reason why I bought the Varimount 350 was we were at slurry one spring. Frosty night, I needed to blow out the sponge to clean out the hoses instead of rolling everything up. It took us an hour and a half to blow out the hose and send through the sponge. This machine came out, we done the very same job the following year. Same texture of slurry, if not any thicker. We were able to blow out the line in 7 minutes and then send on the sponge. 1/4 of an hour we had everything blown out. That's a big time saving. Like you can spread away for an extra hour and a half in the day, throw off the hoses and go away home. The start of the year, the open date comes and you are trying to hammer through 20 different customers in 1 week. You want to reel up the hoses as fast as you can and get on to the next job. This thing is definitely saving us a world of time. Even moving from field to field if you wanted a hose full of air. Before you'd think twice about it, but it's done in 5 minutes now. You're usually blown out well in 5 minutes, do you know what I mean? It usually takes a minute to hose. Time is money, yeah, time is definitely money. Tractor-wise, it's Massey's and John Deere's we operate. I choose the Varimount 350 over a trail compressor. Do you know, hands down, it has an awful lot of pluses. You just lift your front arms out the gate. We wanted volume of air. The air is coming as fast as the slurry can be pumped. It's handy, and the second the air comes through, everything's cleaned out. The compressor we had before this is probably a joke compared to this one, but the beauty about the front PTO is you're only blowing out with 2 hoses. You rev it up to maybe 1200 on the clock. You've only 200 CFM roughly coming out. When you're going to full length and you want to blow it out, you can rev it way up to 1700-1800. We've never revved it up that hard, and we didn't need to. She can blow out the slurry no matter what type of slurry you have. You don't even have to cut down your speed. It has exceeded my expectations in the thick slurry. The stuff that the pump won't pump at the end of the tanks, she won't fail to blow the pipes. There is a lot of volume in when you have 1000 metres of 5-inch hose, there's a lot of volume, but it does blow it out. It's nearly the same length of time the whole time. You will get a lifetime out of this machine, to be fair. Definitely, she's well worth it, to be fair. She's an outstanding machine.